Presenting OPPO F21 Pro smartphone in Sunset Orange. It comes in a size of 16 into 7.3 into 0.7 centimeters and weighs 175 grams. It is also available in Cosmic Black. The phone comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage that is expandable to 1 TB. The smartphone features a dual SIM and microSD card slot. The 6.43 inches FHD Plus AMOLED Punch-hole Display comes with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels, refresh rate of 90 Hz and touch sampling rate of 180 Hz. It also features a fingerprint sensor. It is equipped with 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras with microlens and 32 megapixel front camera with Flagship Sony IMX709 Sensor and runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 6nm octa-core processor with Android 11. The 4500 mAh battery comes with 33-watt SUPERVOOC Charging, giving 2.68 hours of talk time with every 5 minutes of charge.